If you want to have really good pan-fried chicken, you got to go to Charles Pan-Fried Chicken in Harlem. And I order the pan-fried chicken and fixings. It's fantastic. I'm talking about fried chicken, y'all. Charles is an icon in Harlem. It's a tiny little shack. They have about 2 tables, and it's always packed, always. The chicken is so good. I mean, Charles been frying chicken all his life.
Well, the recipe is my mother. If I tell you my secret, my mother might pop out her grave and, you know, smack me.
So here's how Charles makes it.
I got a special season I use. It's black pepper, salt, garlic, and then some other stuff that I can't give you.
I've asked him 15 times, what do you put on that? And I try to bribe him. No, but I want to find out.
Nope. Then we got an egg wash here, egg and milk. I pour just a little over the chicken.
And then you want to dredge it in flour. Then they put all that in a hot pan of oil.
This is one of the biggest secrets to my fried chicken. I can get 20 to 25 pieces of chicken in this pan. If anybody try to steal my secret pan, I'll bop you over the head with it.
Whoa. And then you want to fry it around 350, not on too high heat because you want to slow fry it.
Fried chicken in the deep fry is a lazy man job. In the pan fried chicken, then you have to turn it.
And they're just so delicious.
It's nice and golden brown, just like Mom used to make.
And then they're gonna ask you what sides you want.
I'm gonna do some mac and cheese, then I'm gonna do some collard greens. Now we got the cornbread.
Really good, nice, sweet cornbread.
This is Charles fried chicken and fixin'.
It's very traditional, but it just comes down to that chicken. That chicken is so good. I mean, I got a pretty good fried chicken at Red Rooster, but his is better. First of all, this is your knife and forks. You gotta get into this. You want to roll up your sleeve. Rolling, go north of your elbows because it's gonna get messy. All in. The skin's gonna just crackle. It's juicy, it's crispy. It's not hot, but it definitely has flavor to it. And that's why the garlic and the onion powder. You have your collards, mac and cheese, and you just want to scoop up with your cornbread. That's how to eat it. And then you just kick back and have more sweet and iced tea, and you're good.